Hi, this is Rahul Kumar Singla, and today we are gonna talk about my term project, which was given by my geography instructor. And according to this term project, we were given three different locations and different worksheets for different locations. So me and my field trip partner Gurkomal Preet Kaur decided to go to UBC Cliffs. UBC Cliffs, also known as the University of British Columbia Cliffs, and are a prominent geological feature located in the Vancouver area of British Columbia, Canada. These cliffs are renowned for their stunning natural beauty, impressive geological formations, and their significance as both an education and recreational destinations. The UBC Cliffs offer breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean and the surrounding landscapes, and a beautiful beach named Wreck Beach. We started our journey from Trail 3 Graham's Gully, then and went down there and we saw a gun tower and started going to south. On the way we also saw a construction of berm and groin, and then we saw a newly constructed spiral drainage system, and then we went to the second gun tower, and after that we left the place through trial 4. So this was the main idea about my term project and about the place, but in this video we are particularly gonna talk about the main processes causing change to the physical landscape of the UBC cliffs, and this question is main topic of today's video. So let's get started. The physical landscape of the UBC cliffs is constantly evolving due to various natural and environmental processes. These processes contribute to changes in the appearance, structure, and stability of the cliffs. And one of these processes is erosion. Erosion is a natural geological process that plays a crucial role in shaping landscapes over long periods of time. It involves in wearing away of rock, soil, and other materials from the earth's surface. Erosion at the UBC cliffs is driven by a combination of natural factors and human activities, and can be especially pronounced in coastal areas like these cliffs. At UBC cliffs, erosion is not particularly but mostly done by rainfall, wind, and wave actions. Like rainfall is a powerful erosive force, particularly in regions with high precipitation rates, and when rainfall makes contact with the cliffs, it can result in cracks and crevices in the rocks, gradually loosening and dislodging particles. Wind can also contribute to erosion by carrying abrasive sand. Wind can also contribute to erosion by carrying abrasive sand and dust particles that can impact and wear down the surface of the cliffs. While wind erosion may not be as significant as other factors, it can still play a role in altering the cliff's appearance over extended periods. And lastly, about wave action. For cliffs located near the ocean like UBC cliffs, wave action is a major driver of coastal erosion. Powerful ocean waves can relentlessly pound against the base of the cliffs, undercutting them and causing pieces of rocks to break off. And second main process that can help to change the physical landscape of UBC cliff is weathering. Weathering is the breakdown of rocks and minerals at or near the Earth's surface due to various environmental factors. It is driven by the various environmental factors and can occur through physical, chemical, and biological mechanisms. In the context of the UBC cliffs, physical weathering process are particularly more relevant. Physical weathering, also known as mechanical weathering, refers to the process by which rocks are broken down into smaller fragments without a change in their chemical composition. There are several physical weathering mechanisms that can contribute to the breakdown of rocks on the UBC cliffs, like freeze-thaw cycles, expansion of plant roots, abrasion, salt crystal growth, thermal stress, etc. And third and most important factor that can change the physical landscape of any area and are also changing the physical landscape of UBC cliffs is human activities and their impacts. Human activities including construction and development can alter the physical landscape of the UBC cliffs. Excavation, road building, and urban expansion can lead to changes in the terrain and may increase the risk of erosion or landslides. If not properly managed, some of the human activities we saw there was construction of trails, solid streets, spiral drainage system, and construction of berm and groin. Human activities including construction and development can alter the physical landscape of the UBC cliffs. Excavation, road building, and urban expansion can lead to the changes in the terrain and may increase the risk of erosion and landslides if not properly managed. Some of the human activities we saw there was construction of trails, solid street, spiral drainage system, and construction of bomb and groin. When humans engage in construction and development projects near or the UBC cliffs, they often alter the natural landscape significantly. This can include building structures such as houses, roads, universities, or other facilities, and it can have several consequences. Excavation, for example, it involves digging into the earth's surface to create foundations for buildings, roads, and other infrastructures. During excavation, large amount of soil and rock may be removed or displaced. And as construction was also done on UBC cliffs, so it must also change the physical landscape of UBC cliffs. Second example is road building. Roads that traverse or are built on the slopes of the UBC cliffs can have significant impacts. Roads often require cut and fill operations where hills are cut into and valleys are filled to create a large roadbed. This process can disturb the natural terrain and alter drainage patterns, potentially leading to soil erosion and landslides. So after that, one of these processes is sediment deposition. Sediments carried by rivers or ocean waves currents can be deposited at the base of the cliffs. Over time, these sediments build up and can alter the topography of the cliffs and contribute to the changes in their physical landscape. Some other factors that play their role to change the physical landscape of UBC cliffs are soil creep, the role of waves, role of impermeable layers. So let's start with soil creep. It's a slow process in which particles move down slope. In this process, hence results in steep appearance on slopes. And if we talk about role of waves, cliff erosion is greatly impacted by waves. The base of the cliff is capable of being physically worn away by the impact of waves, particularly falling stones through processes including abrasion and hydraulic action. The cliff surface is constantly struck by sand and other debris from the waves, which causes abrasion and other gradual loss of granite. The form of water itself is what causes the cliff's material to be dislodged and eroded in a hydraulic movement. And next is role of impermeable layers. Cliffs' impermeable layers can cause erosion by affecting how water flows through them. These layered rocks have the potential to trap water behind them, resulting in pressure that weakens and eventually causes the above rock layers to collapse. The rock may further fracture as a result of water trapped between impervious layers and more porous ones that freezes and expands. So that was it, and I hope so you like it, and thanks for watching.